Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Abul Kalam, an assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to conduct an information and communication technology class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is chapter 3, MCQ and question answer. I repeat, our today's topic is chapter 3, MCQ and question answer. Dear students, look at board here. I have written here lecture 1 and SW1. That means we are taking the class for your annual examination syllabus. In our previous class, you have learned about chapter 3, the main points of chapter 3. The main points of chapter 3 is or are obsession, copyright, ethics and plagiarism. I repeat, the main points of chapter 3 are obsession, copyright, ethics and plagiarism. I hope that you have understood the main points. In our today's class, today we will talk or discuss MCQ and question answer. So come and look at the board. So look here, I have given 12 MCQ for your examination, for the preparation for your examination. So look at the number 1. Which one you enjoy most in cyber world? Option: website, email, software, telephone. So we all know the correct answer. The correct answer will be website. So A is right. Number 2, how many rules should we follow for using the internet? So from our text we have learned that there are 3 rules which we should follow. So option number B is the correct answer. 3 rules which we should follow. So look at the first one. Here the correct answer is website, and second one is 3 rules. Number 3, the temperature inside the computer can options increase than outside, decrease than outside, remain same, none of the above. We know that temperature should remain same or should be same inside. So remain same will be the correct answer. So what is computer virus? Option: a program, a germ, dust, damaged hardware. We know the correct answer. Correct answer is a program. So computer virus is a program. In the field of social network, option: you may not directly communicate with individuals. People lack sincerity. There is every possibility of being deceived. Which one of the following is correct? Options: 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3. So we know that in the field of social network, you may not directly communicate the individuals, correct answer. People lack sincerity, correct answer. There is every possibility of being deceived, yes, correct answer. So 1, 2, 3, these 3 are the correct answer. Which place at home is the most convenient to set a computer? Option: drawing room, bedroom, dining room, reading room. We know the correct answer is drawing room. So drawing room is the best place or the most convenient place to set a computer. A man obsessed with the computer may be: option: unsocial, skilled in computer, good at study, advanced in science and technology. So a man, whenever he or she or a person will be obsessed with the computer, it is unsocial. It is unsocial. Look, which one is the social networking site? Option: LinkedIn, Opera Mini, Windows XP, Google Chrome. So we know that social networking site is LinkedIn. Computer becomes harmful if: option: used is necessary work, not used in necessary work. If we used access, yes. If we use access, it will be harmful. So C number is the correct answer. The criminals are passing illegal data by using: option: internet, letter, email, card. We know that criminals are passing illegal data by using internet. So A is the correct answer. We will go to the next page. Read the text below and answer the question number 11 and 12. Rimu is 5 years old. Recently waking up in the morning, she starts watching cartoons on television. As she does not bother her parents, they are also pleased. Now question number 11. Her watching cartoons can be termed as options: spending time, serving purpose, an obsession with cartoons, enjoyment. We know that it will be an obsession with cartoons. So option number C is the correct answer. Remove: for the attitude of her parents to her may be option: unsocial to the utmost, physically weak, a creative being. Which one is correct? Number A 1 and 2, B 1 and 3, C 2, 3 and D 1, 2, 3. Yes, the correct answer will be 1 and 2. Unsocial to the utmost and physically weak. These two represent the correct answer. So our MCQ is done. Now we will go to answer the following questions. So look, I have given here two questions which are very important for your examination. So look at the first one. What is IAD? Short form here. Describe the bad effects of the addiction, about computer, what is the prevention of the problems. So look at the answer now. The full form of IAD is Internet Addiction Disorder. I repeat, the full form of IAD is Internet Addiction Disorder. It is very harmful. It is the name for the people who spend lots of time in internet or over internet. The bad effects of it are given below. So look at the bad effects there. It harms students' study. People become so dependent on computer, and because of that they cannot think anything without computer. Third one, it is also bad for the eyesight because user always see on the monitors of the screen. Fourth one, the users cannot sleep enough, so their physical condition becomes damaged day by day. These are the bad effects of giving much time over internet. So how many bad effects I have given here? 4 bad effects. You must remember the 4 bad effects. Now we will go to the prevention. So look here, the prevention of the problem is given below. These are the remedies of the prevention. So look at the first one. There should be limited time to use computer. There should be limited use of social network. Users should be careful if anyone becomes addicted to computer. Users should not misuse the internet. Number 5, users should spend more time with family. Dear students, these are the preventions which we should follow. Now we will go to the question number 2. Look at both. What is social network? Very common thing. What is social network? Write a short description on plagiarisms. I repeat, it is a plagiarism. Actually, we know that plagiarism is an act of illegal activities. Illegal in the sense that whenever a person will take others' information illegally without taking his or her permission, it is called plagiarism or the related activities of plagiarisms. Now we will go to the answer. Look at the answer. A network that is created using computer and internet is called social network. So we have got the first one, first answer here. In social network, we can keep communication with each other, share pictures, videos using the computer and internet. Facebook, Twitter are the most popular social networking sites at present. So I have given here 2 examples. One is Facebook, another one is Twitter. These 2 are the most popular social networking site now. Now we will go to the answer of the plagiarism. So all of you give your attention to understand it properly. Look, plagiarism is the act of taking another's writing, conversation, song or event idea and passing it off your own. So here we have understood that whenever you will take others' information, conversation, song without taking his or her permission, so this is the activities of plagiarisms. This includes information from web pages, books, songs, television shows, email, messages, interviews, articles, art, works or any other medium. Whenever anyone paraphrases, summarizes or takes words, phrases or sentences from another resources, it is necessary to indicate the source of the information within the paper using an internal citation. So here we have understood that whenever we want to take any kind of information from other sources, we must give the source, then from which source we have taken this, otherwise it will be illegal. Next, it is not enough to just list the source of bibliography at the end of the paper, failing to properly quote, cite or acknowledge someone else's words or ideas with an internal citation is plagiarism. Here I have given a description or details picture about plagiarisms. So I hope that you have understood about plagiarisms. Now look at board. At the end of our board I have given your SW. Your SW is chapter 3 question answer. How many question answer? I have given 2 question answer. So these 2 are your SW. Dear students, SW is an important factor here because your diary marks, CT marks and SBA marks will be given on the basis of your SW. So there is no alternative to submit your SW. I hope that all of you have understood our today's discussion. Keep practicing MCQ and question answer and abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.